Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to start 5th class term 1 English subject. So our second lesson name is Voyage into the Unknown. Voyage means a long journey travel by sea or a long journey travel through space. So before going to lesson we will see the picture. So he is Vasco da Gama. He was a Portuguese explorer. So we will see the lesson. Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer. You can see he is a Vasco da Gama. He is a Portuguese explorer. Portugal means a southern European country. So explorer means someone who travels to a new or unknown land to find out more about it. Explorer means to finding a new things or a new place and to find out more about the new place. So he was born in the year 1460. Vasco da Gama was born in the year 1460. His father Estevão was a knight and an explorer. Knight means in the past a man who fought for the king. In short, he is a soldier who fought for the king and a explorer. Just now I have said that explorer means who travels to a new place or unknown land to find out about new places. At that time, India and Portugal were trading in species. At that time, our India and Portugal, which is a southern European country, both India and Portugal, these countries were trading in species. The Portuguese had to travel by land to reach India. So they have to travel by land to reach India. This journey took a very long time and cost a lot of money. So through traveling by land, it cost a lot of money and it took a very long time to reach India. So many explorers were trying to find a sea route to India. So many people trying to find out a sea route means going through ship. They have many explorers trying to find a sea route to India from Portugal. They reached Cape of Good Hope, the southern tip of Africa, but could not go further. So many people, just now I have said that so many people trying to find out sea route to India from Portugal. So they have reached through sea route, they have reached Cape of Good Hope, and they have reached southern tip of Africa. They have reached till Africa, but could not go further and could not find sea route to India. So Vasco da Gama's father went on one such trip. So Vasco da Gama's father name Estevão. So he went on one trip. However, he died before he could not succeed. So he went to search in the sea route to find from Portugal to India. But he went only one trip. He died before he could succeed. Before going to success in finding sea route to India to Portugal, Vasco da Gama's father died. Vasco da Gama decided to go on a similar journey. The journey Vasco da Gama's father did, the same journey Vasco da Gama decided to join to find out sea route from Portugal to India. Many people believe that there was no direct sea route from Portugal to India. So many people believed that there is no direct sea route from Portugal to India, so we could not succeed. We should go by land. So it cost a lot of money and much time. But Vasco da Gama thought that Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean met at Cape of Good Hope. So Vasco da Gama thought that from Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean met Cape of Good Hope. Here you can see this is Atlantic Ocean and this is Indian Ocean. They both met at Cape of Good Hope. Here you can see. So in the year 1947 he set sail with the 4 ships and 170 men. So he decided to travel journey. In the year 1497 he set sail with 4 ships and 170 men. So he started a journey in the year 1497 with 4 ships and 170 men. They sailed for 5 months across the Atlantic Ocean and reached Cape of Good Hope. So they traveled the sea route for 5 months from Atlantic Ocean to the Cape of Good Hope. So here you can see this is the Atlantic Ocean. From here they have to reach Cape of Good Hope. They took 5 months to reach from Atlantic Ocean to Cape of Good Hope. They sailed further into Indian Ocean. So again after 5 months reaching Cape of Good Hope, they started again their journey to Indian Ocean. In May 1498, Vasco da Gama and his men reached Kozhikode, then called Calicut in Kerala. So after reaching Cape of Good Hope, the Vasco da Gama and 4 ships and 170 men started to Indian Ocean through sea road, and they reached Kozhikode. Now they are saying now Kozhikode is called Calicut. They reached to Kerala. Here you can see the red mark. They reached to Kerala. Again, what happened when he returned to Portugal? He was treated like a hero because he started a journey from Atlantic Ocean to Cape of Good Hope, and again he find out the route to India. So first he reached to Kozhikode, now called Calicut in Kerala. He reached Kerala, that is Kerala is in India. So Vasco da Gama reached to India through sea road. After he find out the sea route to India from Portugal, he treated like a hero. He was the first European to reach India by sea. So Vasco da Gama was the first person and first European to reach India by sea. Soon after, Vasco da Gama went to Kozhikode again. After he visited Kozhikode, that is Calicut, he visited again. He began a long and strong trading relationship with India. After finding the sea route to India, he again built a strong relationship with India and started a trading business. He traded gold for silk, satin species and other products. So he started trading with India in gold, silk, satin species and other products. He returned to his country with a lot of wealth. After trading business with India, the Vasco da Gama returned to the Portugal with a lot of wealth. In the year 1524, Vasco da Gama returned to India. So again in the year 1524, Vasco da Gama returned to India. He died in Cochin, now called Kochi, 3 months later. So after again coming to India, he died in Cochin. Now Cochin is called Kochi. And after returning India, 3 months after returning India, Vasco da Gama died in India only. So I hope you have understood this lesson. So today's homework is you have to learn and write the new words. Thank you.